Packages! Hi, I'm Shreya and this is Decoding Code. In this video, we will wade into the deep waters of packages and explore all that it has to offer. So just stay tuned and keep watching to learn all about packages. You can see that I've created this new package called Land Animals, and I've created a class in Land Animals called Snake. The first line you see here is package Land Animals. And this is always the case. The first line of your class will always be the package name. Then you have this kind of space where you can import whatever you need to import. So you can import classes to use in this class. And then you have your class, and then you can start coding in the brackets. Now, you can actually nest packages within packages. So you can have a main package and then you can have sub packages. So if I have this Land Animals, but I want it to be more specific, I could add a package and call it landanimals.4legs. So there can be landanimals.4legs. I could even nest sub packages into sub packages. So you can nest them as many times as you want. So you can do landanimals.4legs.big, and you could do landanimals.4legs.small. Class names in packages, in like regular packages, can't have the same name. But if they're in different packages, they can. So if I have a class in this sub package landanimals.4legs.big, so I could name it really whatever I want. Let's do a panda. In landanimals.4legs.small, I can also add a class called panda, and it would let me do that no problem. Now, the only difference here would be that in this one, it's 4legs.small, and in this panda, hold on, this is kind of getting complicated, but in this panda, it's 4legs.big. In a package, there cannot be classes with the same name, because if I tried, you could see what it would tell me. See, it says type already exists. Now, it won't let me make that because then there would be no kind of identifying factor, and the computer wouldn't know if you tried to call this class, which class you're talking about. But then this is actually distinguished by the 4legs.big versus 4legs.small. So they are different things. Within this class, I could call the other class. So I could say landanimals.4legs.small, and then I could call it something, equals new landanimals.4legs.small. But I really don't have to do that if I just import it in the place where you import things. So I could say import landanimals.4legs.small, and then it will only focus on that one package. Or you could just import a class. So you could either import a class or a package. I could create this object baby panda, no problem. If I tried to access this landanimals.4legs.big, it wouldn't know what I'm talking about. This panda in the landanimals.4legs.big is named the same as this panda in the .small as well. So it would think I'm just referring to the one that I imported, which is the .small. So if I wanted to import both, then they're both named panda, which would make no sense, and then you'd have to specify it either way. So if you wanted to use landanimals.4legs.big right now, then I could do that. Here, I'm doing the same thing as here, except I'm just calling the one from .big. And you can see that this is so much more than this simple line here. And that's because I imported it. So if you import the class that you're meaning to use, then you can avoid things like this, which is a disaster, which you don't want to type all of that out. Now, what would happen if I didn't import this? The computer is like so confused right now, and it's like, what is happening? There is no problem with this second line. It's just with this first line, if I don't import it, it has no idea what I'm talking about. And it's like, excuse me, but there are two pandas here, and I need to know what you're talking about. So that's why you have to include this landanimals.4legs.big.panda, which basically just tells the computer what you're looking for. Packages are usually just for organization and like all of this nesting stuff. You know how you have full folders and files on your computer? That makes sense in real life, so I guess it makes sense in Eclipse. The computer can know And it's easier for you as well. Like, you can look over here and be like, oh, I'm looking for a land animal. Oh, it has 4 legs. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's small. That's actually all that I wanted to tell you guys in this video. If you did like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any questions or feedback that you guys might have for me. I will see you guys again next week with a brand new video. Bye!